Hi, Terry Thompson here with Keller Williams Realty. Hey, look, I just thought that I'd send you a video newsletter to let you know what the change was in the real estate market here along the Wasatch Front. It's the first time that I'm doing this. Normally I send out just a standard newsletter, but I thought that this time that I would try the video. Really interested to hear from you in relation to whether you like this way of communicating or not. Yeah, let's give it a go. Look, what I'll do is I'll just run through some numbers with you, and I'll also attach a copy of the more in-depth numbers to the email. So if you want to have a look at that, feel free to do that. So let's get started. Salt Lake County last year we're up 4.1%, and since the bottom up 34.2%. And the bottom of the market, by the way, was in January of 2012. So in Bluffdale, we're up 3.9% and 11.2% since the bottom of the market. Draper, 2.3% last year and 19.5% since the bottom. With Harriman, 9.1% last year and 26.5% since the bottom. In Riverton, we were actually down 0.2% last year. Basically the market was pretty flat in Riverton. It was up 23.7% though since the bottom back in January of 2012. With Sandy, we're up 3.4% last year and 27.8% since the bottom. South Jordan, 6.7% last year and 31.7% since the bottom. And for West Jordan, we're up 4.5% last year and 31.8% since the bottom. Now moving on to Utah County, I've selected 4 cities there, done the same thing for Davis County. You might have noticed in Salt Lake County that I actually selected 8 cities. If I haven't selected your city, by the way, please just let me know by responding to the email or giving me a call, and I can certainly give you the stats on that city. So Utah County up 5.8% all up and 28.4% since the bottom. Sorry, 5.8% last year. Eagle Mountain, 7.8% last year and 25.4% since the bottom of the market. My sheet's a little bit stuck here. Lehigh, 6.5% last year and 29.9% since the bottom. Provo, had some really strong growth in Provo last year. Was coming off a lower base though, 10.4% last year and 30.7% since the bottom of the market. Saratoga Springs, 6.2% and 32.9%. Seeing some strong, consistent growth in Saratoga Springs. Now moving on to Davis County. Not as strong in Davis County as in Salt Lake or Utah County. So overall, last year the growth was up 3.7% and since the bottom 21.4%. Bountiful though in Davis County did have strong growth last year at 10.4% and it's up 23.1% since the bottom. Now Centerville is an interesting city in Davis County. It actually fell last year and it fell quite significantly. It was down 5.4% and it's only up 8.8% since the bottom of the market. What I attribute that to is that it remained a strong market in Centerville, and also there was some new construction that went in 2013, so that kind of popped up the 2013 values, but then this year it's pulled back on the 2014 values because that new construction wasn't there. Layton is 3.3% up last year and 21.6% since the bottom. And Kaysville is up 13.8% last year, but only 15.7% since the bottom of the market. So, but strong growth there last year. Going forward, there's an interesting thing that's going to occur in the next, next week actually, on the 26th of January. And what happens then is the mortgage insurance that is applied to FHA loans is going to be decreased by 0.5%. So currently it's generally 1.35%, so it's going to go down to 0.85%. Now what does that mean? What it means is that FHA borrowers now, on every $100,000 that they're purchasing of their purchase price, their purchasing power will go up the equivalent of $10,000 without increasing their repayments. That's going to assist people to move into higher priced properties. It's also going to mean that some buyers who haven't been able to qualify previously are now going to be able to do that. So look, that's basically a wrap up of the market over the last 12 months. I hope that you found that informative. If you want more information, more local information on your neighbourhood, please check the market snapshot that you get sent out at least once a month. And if you want to get further information about your particular property, then please give me a call or respond to this email, and I'll be happy to provide you with a current market valuation of your property. I think that just about wraps it up. Oh, by the way, if you know somebody who might be interested in buying, selling or investing in real estate, please provide them with my contact details. I'd make sure that I take care of them and that they're treated very, very well. Thank you and have a great day.